Hey, this is Mahbub and I have showed you in my last video how to create a Google Tag Manager account. Now I will show you how to connect your Google Tag Manager with a WordPress website. So here is my Google Tag Manager and I have a WordPress website here. First of all, what we have to do, we have to go to plugin. Then we have to click on add new plugin. Then we have to search here GTM. We have to put this, install this plugin, and when you will click on install now, then after a few time you will get activate option. So you have to come to plugin, install plugin here. After that you will see it on here. Okay, GTM 4WP. Then you will have a Google Tag Manager code from here. This one we have to copy this one. So you have to put this code here. Okay, if you put this code here, then you have to click on save. Then your Tag Manager will be connected with your WordPress website. Okay, thank you, bye bye.